multiplying decimals. So when we multiply decimals, I like to view them as just regular numbers. So in order to do that, I'm for right now just going to move my decimal over to the very end here. And the only thing that I want us to keep in mind is that for our entire problem here, I moved my decimal over a total of 1 and 2 times. I'm just going to keep that in the back of my mind for the final answer. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and multiply my numbers. 12 times 56. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Moving over to my 5, I need to put my placeholder down. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And of course, we add everything all together. 2, 7, and 6. Now at the beginning of the problem, I said keep in mind that our decimal was moved over a total of 2 times, because right now our decimals are technically in the very end here. But since they were moved over 2 times, to get it back into its original place, we'll just go ahead and move it over 2 times on our answer, so that our final is 6.72.